Okay, so we've just got our new project car. One thing we've noticed is the Keyfob battery is low. Now you'll know when this is starting to get low because you'll get an error message. Now it only flashes up, so if you watch when we start the car, you'll see it flash up.
So ours has only just started, so it might just be on the brink of being low.
Yeah, so like so. Oh, so did you see that? It just flashed up, that warning triangle came up again. We'll do it again. There you go. So if you stop your video, you'll be able to see there. So it says Keyfob battery low. So what we've got to do is change the Keyfob battery. So Ian's going to show you how to do this now. So
first thing is push up this silver piece from that bottom arrow.
Is that arrow there? Yeah.
So that should be at the bottom of your key fob. That should then slide out.
Okay.
So you've got these little, I don't know if you can see them on there.
Little tabs.
The
yeah,
little tabs that hook in.
Okay.
So we'll put that down.
Now that's your key. We'll show you what to do with that at the end of the video. We'll show you how to unlock.
That's your spare key blade.
Yeah. Okay. Ah, you put that in and use that as a little lever, and you actually sort of split it like a clamshell sort of apart. You feel like you're wrecking it.
So it just goes in this little groove here.
Yeah.
And it's not pushing against anything structural right or there. So you got that.
Right, now the key is that's that.
The back half.
And the key is that, right? Can you see that plus sign? Yeah, we get that on the video. So there's that plus sign. Let me just get it there. So that the positive, when you put it back together, you can see that plus there at the end of that arm. That plus needs to be facing up. So that's the positive. Okay, and you just slide him out there. Okay, so you see it's got the positive on that side. The other side I don't think's got a negative, but you can see it's the smaller side. So make sure the positive is pointing back up. So you get your new battery, slide it back in. We're obviously putting the old one back in for this, but okay.
And then these two, it's this series of clips, which are pretty brutal to put back together, to be honest.
You gotta go squeeze. Whoa. Right, yeah. Good.
Make sure you're all lined up.
Put your key, flop the little thing back in. He slides in there, and then grab that. Now this is key. Which way round does this go in? So show us the side.
So with the key the right way round, your arrow should be back at the bottom.
Yeah.
Because it tells you which way to move it. So you've got to line up those with the slots on here. Should be just off, just out of line, and then slide it back down. So yeah, and then obviously once you've done that, check it opens, check you don't get the error message, check your car unlocks. That's good. We'll do another video to show you how to get in your car when you've got a flat battery, which is that little hidden key in there. We'll do another video on that and we'll put that up. But there we go. Good luck with that.